In this video, I'll show you how to tell whether your TradingView chart is showing real-time data or delayed data, and how you can upgrade if you need live market prices. After logging into TradingView, look at the watch list on the right-hand side. This is where all your tickers are displayed. Some of these will show prices instantly, while others are delayed. To check, hover over a symbol that doesn't have any icons next to it. A small pop-up should appear saying real-time, which means the prices are live and updating as soon as the exchange provides them. Cryptocurrencies are a good example. Most of them stream in real time for free. Now, if you see a small D next to a symbol, that means the data is delayed. Click on it, and at the top of the chart, you'll notice a label such as delayed by 10 minutes or delayed by 15 minutes. This is common for many stocks and futures, especially from exchanges like NASDAQ or the NYSE, since TradingView only offers free delayed data for those markets. If you want real-time access, click the Learn More link next to the delayed label. TradingView will show you available exchange packages along with their monthly cost. Subscribing unlocks live streaming data, which is essential if you're trading quickly and need up-to-the-second accuracy. And that's it. Now you know how to spot real-time versus delayed data in TradingView, and how to upgrade if you need full access.